today we are going to draw this one straight line here. So this is going to be the head size. So I will draw a straight line here, straight line here, and then I will curve. And after that I will start from here and I will go all the way to this corner. So this is another guideline. So let me make it dark a little bit so we can see, but try to draw all these lines super light. So this area, this is the line which is slightly in, not really deep, not like this way, almost same but slightly here. And I will erase. This is the part where we are going to draw the beak. So if you want to draw a big beak, you can draw this much, small one, totally up to you. I'm going to draw small one, I can say. So I will draw this one going down, and this is the middle point of this curvy shape. I will do a smiley from here and then sad face, and this is the end of this one. So from here I will draw this way and we'll go a little bit this way. Over here, the way you want to draw the eye, suppose you want to draw this one, you can draw 1, 2, 3, and then tiny right here. So you can draw this way, or if you don't like it, even the beak, if you want to do a little bit roundish over here, you can do it. Soft one, more roundish, cute style. And if you want to do the other style, like pointed here, and then curvier and top one, and then you want to do one circle inside, then another circle, and then tiny circle. Tiny circle we will leave it. This is going to be black here, and this area is going to be super duper light. If I will pull this one, this is a straight line here. For the body, you have to know how big you want. Like suppose this is the head, so if I will take 1, 2, and maybe a little bit bigger than that, so totally up to you. Want a small body or big body, you can decide whatever you want. So if I want from here, so this line, you can think like that. This is the straight line, this is the straight line here. So I will start from here and I will make a tiny triangle here, and this line is also going out. Then I will erase this guideline. From here I will do darker here and here. So this one is touching here, so this side and this side, both side I did. And from here I will do a small one, so kind of like this size only, not the whole thing. So it's a small. And then from here, so I have this point, I have this point. From here I will do guideline and connect this one. This is the guideline, try to draw light. So now how to draw the wing. So from here I will start, I will go and touch this line point. So this point to this point, and then I will go a little bit out. And I know it won't stop here. This is the neckline, little bit down here. So it will go here. You have to curve this one, go and touch this one, go here and go out of this guideline little bit and come here. So kind of like a drop shape. And then erase everything from inside. This is the tummy part. From here I'm going to draw this branch line. You can draw thicker, you can draw thinner, it's totally up to you. Or if you want to draw this one going down, yes, you can do it this way too. It's totally up to you, the way you like. Or if you want to draw this one going up here, suppose this much thick branch I want to draw, and this branch is coming and this branch is coming, there's another branch is going over here. So this branch is the front one, and this one is another one, it's going in the back, that side. So this is the part where we have to draw the tail. So from here, as much as big you want, you can chop it from here and then make it alphabet V and erase everything from inside. So this is the front branch, so you should not have to erase this line, but this is the back branch, so you have to erase everything from inside. Let me erase my guideline. I want the tail to go a little bit this direction, so I will adjust it from here. So again, this is just alphabet V. Now we can draw the leaf and whatever you flowers, whatever you want to draw. Go ahead. If you want to add here, over here, the furry part, you can do it the way you want. So now I'm going to draw the way I like. So when I check my drawing, I forgot something over here. So let's draw here one curvy line, and then I will start wider here, next place, and it will go exactly same place. So like this. And I will do one more here, same thing, and one more. So two of them, and then this is curvy line, one curvy line, and I will do second one like that.